Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at the Gigabyte Z790M AORUS Elite AX ICE motherboard. The Gigabyte Z790M AORUS Elite AX ICE is an all-white Micro-ATX motherboard that's compact in size, yet it comes packed with similar features as found on their larger ATX siblings. Measuring at just 24.4 cm squared, it should fit in most cases without any issues. The motherboard uses an Intel Z790 chipset and features a 6-layer 2x Copper PCB with twin 12+1+1 power phase digital VRM solution and a Thermal Armour Advanced cooling with heat pipe. It's compatible with all of Intel's core processors, including the 12th gen, the 13th gen and the 14th gen on the LGA 1700 socket. For connectivity, it features the Realtek's 2.5 Gb LAN and Wi-Fi 6E, and comes with Gigabyte's ultra-high gain antenna for low latency gaming. Expansion includes one PCIe 5x16 UD slot for your next-gen graphics cards, and one PCIe 4x16 slot, as well as 4 DDR5 DIMM slots supporting memory speeds of up to DDR5 7600 OC. For storage, it comes with 6 SATA ports and 3 PCIe Gen 4 M.2 slots with Easy Latch Plus, so that you can mount your SSDs with ease. Other features include the 7.1 HD audio, the onboard reset and clear CMOS switches, as well as the Q flash button, the Gigabyte RGB Fusion, and outputs for DisplayPort, HDMI, the front USB-C at 10 gigabits per second, and the rear USB-C at 20 gigabits per second. This motherboard is extremely affordable and is packed with features, and is perfect for anyone who wants to build an all-white Micro-ATX system. We'll be testing this motherboard using an Intel Core i9-1400K along with 32GB of DDR5 72GB RAM. We'll also be using a GeForce RTX 4080 Super to see how it performs. Alright, so let's dive straight in, build up a test rig, and before we do that, let's do a quick unboxing, and we'll see you in a bit. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing of the Gigabyte Z790M AORUS Elite AX ICE motherboard. It supports all the Intel core processors on the 12th, 13th and 14th gen on the LGA 1700 socket. It comes with PCIe 5 as well as DDR5 support. Alright, let's take a look inside the box. Okay, we have the ultra high gain antenna with the magnetic base. This is for the Wi-Fi 6E. Alright, we got a pair of SATA cables and the G connector. We have some information about the Z790 AORUS motherboards, and then we have the installation guide. Okay. Alright, here we have the Gigabyte Z790M AORUS Elite AX ICE motherboard. As you can see, it's a Micro-ATX form factor and measures 24.4 centimeters here and 24.4 centimeters down. And here we have the LGA 1700 socket, and it supports all of the latest 12th, 13th and 14th gen processors from Intel. It comes with the Thermal Armour Advanced cooling with the heat pipe, and this should help cool the VRM and MOSFETs. We'll start at the top here. We have one 4-pin and one 8-pin PCI power connectors. And along here we have the 4-pin ARGB header and a 3-pin ARGB header. There are 2 fan headers here tucked away, and one here in this corner right there. And then here we have the 24-pin ATX power connectors, another fan header, the USB type E, USB 3, and 6 SATA ports for your SSDs. And then along the bottom we have your pinouts for your G connectors, power on, reset switches and things like that. We have a clear CMOS switch, a reset button, a TPM header there, and we have another fan header, and we have 2 USB headers here, a 3-pin ARGB, another 4-pin ARGB, and the Q flash button here. We also have a fan header, a COM port header here, and audio header right there. Alright, expansion slots. we have one PCI 5 times 16 with the UD slot right here for your graphics card, and one PCI 4 times 16 slot right here. For SSDs, we have 1, 2, 3 of the PCI Gen 4 M.2 SSD slots, and here we have the easy latch system here for easy mounting on SSDs. And over here we have the 4 of the DDR5 DIMM slots, supporting speeds of up to DDR5 7600 OC. Alright, let's take a look at the I/O. We'll start off here. We have 4 USB 2s, Wi-Fi 6E connectors here for your antennas, a display port, HDMI, and this is the USB 3.2 Gen 2, and this here is the USB Type-C Gen 2.2. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 USB 3.2 ports here, the 2.5 gigabit LAN, and line in, mic in, and the SPDIF. Alright. So this is a nice compact Micro-ATX motherboard and should fit in most cases out there with no issues. And what I like about this motherboard is that it uses a white PCB. Most of the boards I've seen with this Micro-ATX form factor only has a black PCB with white or silver heat sinks, but this has both white PCB and the white silver heat sinks to go with a nice all white PC build. Of course you have the black connectors, that's not a problem. We'll be testing this motherboard using an Intel Core i9-14900K along with 32 gigabytes of DDR5 7200 RAM. We'll also be using a GeForce RTX 4080 Super and to see how this motherboard will perform. Alright, so this was a quick unboxing of the Gigabyte Z790M AORUS Elite AX ICE motherboard. If you're after an all-white Z790 Micro-ATX motherboard that's affordable and feature-rich, the choices are limited. But luckily, Gigabyte has got you covered with the Z790M AORUS Elite AX ICE. It offers similar features to its larger ATX siblings, but best of all, it's extremely affordable yet performs just as good. During our test, we managed to get some really good scores in all of our benchmarks, including a Cinebench R23 score of 36,501 multi-core and 2,236 single-core. For PC Mark 10, we got a score of 10,412 and a score of 17,738 for Pass Mark 11. For UL's latest Procyon video editing benchmark, we got a score of 56,633 and a score of 192 for the AI computer vision benchmark. For 3D Mark Nomad and Speedway, we got excellent scores of 6,742 and 7,545 respectively. And finally, for Port Royal and TimeSpy, we got decent scores of 18,624 and 28,134 respectively. All in all, the Gigabyte Z790M AORUS Elite AX ICE is perfect for any user who wants to build an all-white Micro-ATX system. It's feature-packed, extremely affordable, and offers good performance that can easily match its larger ATX siblings. It's without doubt one of the best all-white Micro-ATX motherboards you can get right now. You can check out the full review on our website at funkykit.com. And there you have it, that was a quick look at the Gigabyte Z790M AORUS Elite AX ICE motherboard. It's an all-white Micro-ATX motherboard that's packed with features with performance to match, and the best thing about it, it's extremely affordable. Hope you enjoyed this video, give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy this via the links in the description, and of course visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh, one more thing, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.